Hey, Santa Claus Christmas light hangers. Just going to show you how to cross a driveway when you have to. We try not to do it, but there's customers that really want it done. And I'm going to show you how not to do it, and I'll show you how to do it. So, let's see, switch my camera here. So, our guys, when they did it, they ran it straight across the driveway, just like that. That's not how you do it. You can't even see where I ran it across the driveway here. So right here, what you want to do is you want to find a groove, the saw cuts and the saw and the driveway and the concrete. When you find that, find the thickest one you can, and take your screwdriver and clean the crud out of it. Once you do that, I take a clip. We push the wire down into the concrete. You can see it way down in there. And then I take a clip and I push this clip down as far as I can get this in. And what this does is it keeps that wire from ever coming out of here. And even if this gets pulled on, it won't allow that wire to come out very good. But if you can see across here, you don't even see my wire coming across here. And like I say, this is how you cross it. This is how my guys crossed it. This is how you cross it. We do get snow here, so we want to make sure that that cable is under or underneath the concrete there. And the best way to do it is do it either through the expansion joints. The problem with the expansion joints is they usually got the rubber sealer in there, but these are just the saw cuts that you stick it in. So again, I was just showing you how to get it across the driveway, and you think you wouldn't have to do that, but just making an easy video for you. Have a great day.